name is DJ Rick, and on behalf of the Little Road Rasta, Dragon Allstar, World Mag Entertainment, Flames Radio, this is the Upnlive show. We go live here every Wednesday on Flames Radio, and we have a very, very special guest inside the studio this evening, all the way from America. He's here in the UK. Welcome to the Upnlive show, and I ain't gonna say your name because I think I said it earlier and I got it incorrect. Was I correct? What's your name, brother?
Yeah, he was correct. Tragic Mom Major.
Tragic. No, I wasn't correct because I don't have the accent like you do.
Well, look, man, I'm loving the accent here, though. So
Simple.
Hopefully, before I leave, I can mix it.
Yeah. Mix a little bit of the American
Best
side.
of both worlds.
Simple. So how you doing today? You all right?
I'm good, man. I'm loving it, man.
Lovely, lovely. And to my very far right, we have the New Level team. She's here inside the studio with us this evening. She's the manager for Tragic. I'm trying to get the name right. I think I get it wrong again.
You got it right. You got it right. You got it right.
So what's good?
Good, man. Just out here trying to work, man.
How's the UK been to you?
It's been good, man. Like, before I came here, I already did research. Just like, you gotta do research before you go anywhere.
You have to.
Some people don't do it, then they end up lost. I mean, I was still lost, but I wasn't as lost as I thought I was gonna be.
Where in the States are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Chicago. Tragic.
Yep. Chicago, yep.
Upstate, the cold place. You're used to the weather then. So Chicago.
Yeah, used to the weather, man. It's the same thing here. Hot 1 minute, cold the next minute.
It's confusing, isn't it?
Man, you go through a whole year in 1 day.
I'm glad you come and you learn that bit because listen, London be crazy sometime. So you're a hip hop artist. Are you a rap or more of a singing the hip hop type?
I'm a hip hop. Like I like all genres of music, but hip hop is probably what I can do best.
Okay.
So that's what I'm sticking with.
Is that where you started out being as an hip hop artist first, right?
Yep.
Okay. And the songs that you're doing, because I've seen you done quite a few songs online, and I see you're doing a new one now.
Yeah.
Can you just explain to me the connection for that one? Is a collaboration with
Oh yeah, we got Zilla.
Yeah.
Got one with Zilla, got one with my homie Tricks. So we finna turn up. Like I say, you put best of both worlds. Like the accent, when I first heard Zilla rap, I gotta check him out. When I first heard him rap, I already had the beat in my head, but I wanted to put him on.
Yeah.
So
basically, are you doing your own promotion, your production as well?
Yeah, I do that too. Then I got a couple of homies that do it. But this time they couldn't make it. So hopefully next time, because it will not be the last.
Yeah.
Next time we'll have everything in order. So it'll be good.
Okay, so you're basically here in the UK for a music promotion.
Yes.
Okay, and you were here for how long?
Probably, they don't want me to leave, but I don't know, probably June 3rd or something.
I say you've been here for how many, a couple of weeks or
man,
so?
like what, like a week? Yeah, about a week.
Because I've seen you quite a few places as well.
Man, it feel like it's longer than that though.
But that's good though, that's good. And what I wanted to find out is, because you're obviously coming from the other side, you're coming from the mother of where rap is. America is a bigger pond. Coming to the UK, how has it been for you? Was it a culture shock? Where is it the rap game different here from how it is back in America?
Yeah, it is, and I was telling a couple people here, it's a good thing because I was already following the London culture already.
Yeah.
I know y'all got a thing called UK drill. I was following that years ago, so I was putting people in Chicago on that.
Yeah.
And it's crazy because they actually like it because it's different. Like you still got the lyrics, you know what I'm saying, metaphors.
Yeah.
America, they kind of fell back on that. It's like it's like a lot of watered down music now. But over here in the UK, I still hear a lot of lyrics, a lot of good music. And one thing, y'all haven't lost y'all taste. Because, usually when one genre or one area take off, everybody else try to sound like it.
No, everybody
still have your own sound.
Everybody has their own sound. That's what I like with it. Because I obviously can hear my voice. I'm Jamaican, and I'm here. But I love London for that. There's so many diversity in terms of you can be here doing this, and then somebody else over there doing something totally different from what you're doing, and you're still able to coexist.
Yes.
So how is it in terms of the American side? Do artists bicker amongst each other as how they do in the UK? Because I know in UK here, they're quite at each other's throat most of the time. How is it in terms of you and your peers over there? Do you have a lot of so-called beef enemies, I should say.
Oh man, it's a lot of that over there. And one thing about over here, I don't see it like that. Or maybe it's something that y'all see because y'all from here.
Yeah.
But over there, it's different, man. People getting killed and all type of stuff, man. But over here, I see the love, man. Y'all turn up. Y'all have after parties, after parties, after parties, man. Like
live in the
crazy.
streets.
It's crazy. I love that because that's what I want to see on the other side. But it's kind of hard over there. It's like a lot of hatred, man.
But that's good because even when it comes to your management, New Level, is this a new move or was it something that was been happening for a while now?
No, I can say it's something it's been happening, but it feel like it's new.
It feel like it's new.
It feel like it's coming, like it's gonna get bigger than what it is. It can only get bigger from now.
Yeah, I want to bring New Level into the conversation as well. If you could just talk us through what was the connection meeting with the artists? What propelled you to sign such an artist or manage such an artist?
Okay, so basically, well, where do I start? It goes back about 20 years ago, to be honest with you. The other artist, the one that couldn't be here, is RSN, and due to a family situation, he couldn't make it.
Yeah.
So I met RSN when I was probably about 19 years old, and he inspired. He's like, one day I'm going to make it big. I'm going to be a rapper, and I believed in him. So we just kept in touch all these years, and he said to me, I've teamed up now. I've got another little support group, Bob Major. I want to come over there and do big things. So we just made it happen. So we actually spoke about it about 4 years ago, and 4 years ago we started planning, and by the time we just kind of like got serious. And here we are today. I said, right, I've started New Level, so now it's time to get serious, get your artist over.
Because I see you making moves. Because the last time we spoke. The camp was like this small, and I'm seeing it's growing.
It's growing, man, definitely.
It's growing, definitely.
Yeah.
So, any other project that you're working with at the moment?
We've got a couple of artists that are flying over to Alicante to do a weekender in Spain.
Okay.
We've got a couple going over to is it Cavos? I think Cavos this year, this summer. So we're actually expanding now. We started off in London. We did what we said we were going to do, go outside London. We've done shows now outside London. And now we're trying to go Europe.
Definitely. I think I need to join this New Level trend. It's trending,
It's not a business, it's a movement. It's a movement, not a business.
Oh my gosh. And so talk us through quickly for the day-to-day managing of an artist, because some people don't really understand what do a manager do for an artist.
So basically, being a manager for an artist involves there's a mentoring side of things, but you're almost like family as well, and you get to know the artist like kind of like their personal family life as well, because when they're having a problem, I have to check in with them, and if they're having something else that's going on with their personal life, I have to get involved in that because it affects their performance. So I have to always be there for them, like that listening ear, auntie or whatever. In fact, most of them call me auntie now. I've aged as well since I started New Level. I've now I've gone from Lady Bibby to auntie to / grandma sometimes. So I've got grandchildren out here now. New Level grandchildren have been born.
Wow.
So the New Level's actually aged me as well. But it's about supporting them and letting them know that you're there for them, and also letting them know that you want what they want. So in order for them to be successful, I have to look at them first.
Yeah.
They have to be successful.
Yeah.
I don't even look at myself as successful. I look at them. They have to be successful, and you've got to have the right drive behind you in order to drive the artist. If I don't have the drive, they're not going to have the drive.
They're not going to have the drive, definitely.
Exactly.
Okay, we'll be a bit short on time because we're trying to work as much as possible. A lovely lady in the middle, Miss Social Media Queen. You're part of New Level as well. Yeah, she's just checking the ground, making sure that everything's up. And what's your connection to the group? You are one of the promoters, or how does it work for you?
I'm the lyrics artist.
Okay.
So remember the last conversation we had?
Is it?
You told me, like, blah, blah, blah.
It's your fault.
You said to me, go and get it, and
that's why. Well, here you are.
She told me about that the next day. You
see
sent
that
it to me.
See that? The powers. Well, it's only right. You're around the environment. You're around the guys who's doing it. You have a passion. Why not try? At least try. If something happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, at least you tried, right? Mm-hmm. And what's your stage name for the first time?
A lighty male.
A lighty male.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds a bit feisty. Yeah. I'm sorry that you guys came so late because I wanted to give you like a proper extended freestyle, but unfortunately a little bit out of time. And so quickly before we go, how we can find you on social media? Do you have any social media name?
So my Instagram name is Lighty Mel.
Yep.
My Facebook name is Lighty Mel. My Snapchat name is Mel's with a Z 4896. Just message me.
Okay, simple. We want to go back to Miss Mel. Can you just give us your social media name?
Yeah, the social media is @newlevel_promotions, and the Snapchat is LadyBB_XO, and Facebook is New Level as well.
Okay, love it. Wicked. Thanks for talking to us this evening. And we want to close back with my artist right here, and he is definitely one to look forward for 2018. Gonna be back into the UK again when?
Man, ASAP, probably, hopefully, July?
July, yeah, the end of July.
The end of July. Lovely. And how we can find your music online?
Yeah, look me up on Tragic Mom Major on YouTube. You follow my Instagram, IG Tragic.
Yep.
Snapchat, Tragic63. My Facebook, yes, my government name. Javon Robertson, I don't care. Look it up. I'm on Facebook too. I don't care.
Definitely. Okay, so this part of the show is what we call the Upnlive freestyle. Normally we get a little about 10 minutes, but now we have about 3 minutes. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna play the first beat. Is called the Upnlive beat. Everybody comes into the studio has to go into this beat. This is our official beat right here. We're gonna drop it and you just do whatever you feel like. You ready for this?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. This is the one and only
Tragic.
live here on Flames Radio. Keep it locked.
Man, already feeling the vibe. I'm like, baby, I think the ceiling is live. I'm trying to do it now from the morning to 5. I know I can't curse, but the gift is in the pride. I'm trying to see what's going on, jumping with stride. I'm trying to see what it is I can't find, I can't hide, I can't glide. So I'm just stuck in one position. I know what it is, I'm on a mission. I'm just trying to find it. I think it's benefiting, I mean it's beneficial. And I'm just living, got me in the kitchen. Baby, do the dishes. Watch me just talk, I just listen. Got vibes like prison. I'm trying to see what it is and what it isn't. I just got the gift of gab because I'm in it. I do it now, feeling like a menace. With no society, I feel the game, my people rowdy. So don't lie to me or even try to be. Hold on. And the beat change, I'm coming off the brain, I'm feeling all the same. I'm doing fun, I'm milling cause I'm moving like I'm old and I don't need the cane. So why should I complain? Got me off the lollipop, tell shorty don't stop. Doing from this manny to the grown, this is hip hop. And I can't do it, I ain't slide, this ain't flip flops. If you wanna do it, I'm the minister like Big Pop. Everything I see is check out my wristwatch. Oops, I messed up on my words, so can't stumble. I'm running with running balls, so no I can't fumble. Cause over here, y'all call it soccer, I whip it proper. Man, I'm sick, no need a doctor, a opera, a sing for acapella. Cause money I'm fella, I seen Zilla in the booth, he came in just to do it. Got the feel I own, the new level is the movement. See that's how I do it. I switch from beats, it's so crazy, then consume it. It's crazy, and I ain't even curse to say a bad word, but I'm feeling like I'm on scissors. I'm saying that surge. I'm moving on the curve. I'm feeling all superb. I'm doing this and doing that, and I'm feeling with words. Man, I'm feeling superb. Man, my words it got twisted. I don't care, I'm on a mission. Now I know that I'm in it. Flew right to the UK. Now they know I existed. Man, I'm straight from the USA, but man, I ain't tripping. I love the whole accent. I love the fashion. I love the average. I love blowing no cabbage. But when I say cabbage, I don't want to tell you cause I'm Billy. Man, I'm really flew over here just to get a milli. If you talking, you can get me. Got a shots that a Henny got. Shots like a Henny get popped like a Willie. Man, I'm saying I need some Benjis. I respect you still be skinny now, cause I'm eating plenty. If you talking, come get Benjis on me. Baby, come get with me. And I'm really freestyling. I don't even know what to do, but it's me wildin' and I'm in it and I do it. I'm going, I'm freestyling. Had to say that 2 times, but man, I'm freestyling. Hey.
Wicked freestyle. I remember people were making like, share, comment on the video. We're going to be putting up this later on today, so make sure you tune into the Upnlive show channel. Go onto YouTube, search for Upnlive show, and you can see all the previous videos that we done before. The man himself was here this evening. New Level was definitely inside the building this evening. Please look out for this artist. He's doing lots of crazy things. Like us on Facebook, share the link whenever we go live, each and every week live here at Flames Radio. And before we go, Likkle Brown Rasta, anything you want to say before we
We have
leave?
to remember our sponsors, Shish Print, Bass Prints,
Go on.
T-shirts and panties.
T-shirt and panties.
T-shirts and panties, and obviously One African Music Fest that's happening this week at Wembley. See you guys there. For the person, did she answer the question?
No, she
I'll
never
check the
answered the
Instagram
question.
page and I'll DM those persons who have won themselves tickets for this week's event. Just go support, go have fun. No something always about we're about saving money, having fun, being safe, and we'll see you guys next
week. Same place, same time. And if you can't be good, just be careful.
And be safe.
This coming Saturday as well, remember DJ Corey
Yes.
Uptown Party going to be taking place live. Go onto his Instagram if you want to get yourself some tickets as well. The link is live into his bio. Make sure you guys subscribe to.
And Friday night, Uptown Allstar Fridays, movie star Johnny, pick up himself anywhere they were made there. Right? No.
Simple.
And remember, Upnlive is aired every Wednesday between 8 and 10 on Real Flames Radio. That's their Instagram page on www.flamesradio.co.uk. We see you next week. Thank you for tuning in.
Keep it locked, right?
Bye.
Peace out.